right, guys, so today we're gonna do these upgrades, because look at this. You're tired of this? I'm gonna show you what you can do. This is pretty much what we got. It's the same tire. I got a new wheel. Jake's, shout out to them. They sold me these at 50% off, so I got 4 for only 24 bucks. And then I got rid of the nasty foams, and they 3D print these in-house. So we're gonna run these as the inserts. So yeah, we're gonna change it up like that. Guys, there it is, all done. We got the KMC wheels bolted up on all 4 corners. We got the 3D printed inserts with the tires. So let's see how this thing crawls. Oh.